In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and verify a sending domain in Sparkpost. By the end, you'll have a domain set up for reliable email sending, with clear verification through DNS. Start by opening your browser and heading to app.sparkpost.com, then sign into your account. Once you're in the dashboard, look for Configuration or Settings and open Sending Domains. This is where you'll connect the domain you want to send email from. Click Add a Domain and type the domain you plan to use. You can enter your main domain, but it's usually best to use a dedicated subdomain like mail.yourdomain.com. Using a subdomain keeps your sending reputation separate from your primary website and makes management cleaner and safer if you run multiple mail streams. After you submit the domain, Sparkpost will display the DNS records you need to verify and authenticate ownership. Keep this page open. These records prove to the internet that Sparkpost is authorized to send mail for your domain. You'll typically see a TXT record for DKM, which includes a long string of characters. Don't worry, this is expected and normal for email authentication. Next, open a new tab and log in to your DNS provider, the place where you manage your domain's DNS, such as Cloudflare, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or wherever your name servers are hosted. Find the DNS management section for the domain or subdomain you added in Sparkpost. You're going to create the TXT records exactly as Sparkpost shows them. For the DKM record, copy the name or host field exactly and paste the value without adding or removing characters or quotes. Be precise here. Even a small typo can prevent verification. Save your changes in your DNS panel. DNS updates don't apply instantly everywhere on the internet, so give it time to propagate. This can be as fast as a few minutes, but in some cases, it can take up to 24 hours, depending on your provider and TTL settings. While you wait, keep the Sparkpost domain page handy. Sparkpost will automatically check for the records and mark the domain as verified once they resolve correctly. If it doesn't verify after a while, double-check that you added the records to the correct zone, use the exact host names, and didn't add your root domain twice in the host field. That's it. You've added your sending domain in Sparkpost, placed the required DKIM TXT record at your DNS provider, and allowed time for propagation so Sparkpost can verify it. Once verified, you're ready to send with higher trust and better deliverability.